Hello, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with leaking from around the bottle filter here. When I test the machine, I found out that there is like 5 screws that's coming upside down to tie this group head to the boiler, and that was like 4 of these 5 I found them loose, and in order to reach these screws you need to take off all the component behind: water pump, flow meter, the solenoid valve assembly, the boiler itself, and the steamer, the hot water spout. Everything needs to be, you need to take it off in order to take that up and to reach these screws, the 5 there. It's upside down here under this thing. I tied them, and I put Loctite on there. And let's go ahead and test it. Make this espresso shot in it. Yeah, I tied him and I put everything back together. I do want to make big changes to the calibration of the machine, so the customer, if they want, usually this is how they like it. This is how I found it calibrated, and it's not bad, it's good. But yeah, let's see how that goes. It was, yeah, once it start like gaining pressure, it was leaking all around that. Yeah, look at the pressure now. It's super high. That's because it's finer. It's fine sitting here for the grind. So if you needed like more, it's like you just need to put it on a coarser setting here, or put less amount of grind from there. But it's making a perfect shot. Okay, it's slow, but look at the pressure all the way up, and that's because of the fine grind in there, which is the maximum pressure you can put to check if there is leak from there or no. This is perfect shot with thick crema. I like to test it without. Okay, let's test the hot water. This is perfect. And the steamer, it has a little bit of water because it's in a cylinder. Everything functioning perfect in this machine. Thank you for watching.